Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So I saw these mirrors in the internet like a few months ago and I really loved it. I just wanted to make something like that. There were like plenty of ideas over the internet. They were like in round shape and the oval shape and gold, black, different colors and different prices on different websites. So I'm going to make this kind of project today. To make it, I'm using these Dollar Tree mirrors, and I got 3 of them, and then I'm going to use this plant hanging chain as well. This chain came with the basket. I do not need a basket right now, so I'm just using the chain itself only. I got these stars from Dollar Tree as well. They are made of foam, so I'm going to cut them into 2 pieces and then I will attach them to these mirrors for the decoration purpose. I will use a hot glue gun to attach the chains with the mirror as well. It's going to be very secure. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe. These stars are cut into half, and now I'm going to attach it with this mirror using hot glue gun and these small sticks that I'm going to show it to you. If you don't want to use the sticks, you can just go ahead and start going to use the hot glue. It's going to work perfectly. Then I'm going to put the 4th star into the center of these mirrors. It's looking cute. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Then subscribe to my channel as well, share your ideas with me, and see you next week.